Hi.
Hi.
How are you, my brother?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Tashayon
So that's
Richie.
your stage name. That's a beautiful name, oh.
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Tashayon Richie! What are you going to be doing for us today?
Yeah, I'm singing I'm Free.
You are free.
I'm free.
I'm free by who?
Though I compose it myself.
Now you composer.
Yes.
Not only has he got a great name now as a composer. Okay, let's go. Let's listen to you, brother.
I did.
Welcome, man. What's your name?
My name is Millionaire.
Is that your father give you that name?
Yes.
It's a
Oh,
lie.
it's actually your name in your passport.
Yes, it's my
Wow, wow.
In fact,
That's no pressure.
I know
No
for
pressure.
imagine now they'll be calling your name. Make some noise for Millionaire Osinachi. Everybody was saying that with you. This guy, you got to go get double. That's very good, actually. You can be spraying money from your pocket
Do you understand?
while you're performing.
Yeah.
So before you perform, I just advise you, all this thing they work.
Yes.
Just find like 200 naira notes.
Yeah, 100 naira.
Or 100 naira note. They will just change.
5K.
As just the answer. I just say, I'm jealous of the rain. Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
My brother.
Yes, I.
What is your name?
Oh, I'm Jackson Michelle.
Jackson
Supernova
Michelle.
my stage name.
So what's your stage name?
Supernova.
Supernova.
Yeah.
So it looked like Supernova had sort of lived up to his name by exploding. Unfortunately for him, though, he was not exploding onto the Nigerian music scene, but rather off it.